Okay, so for the exit ticket, you need to show work first because I think that's why you're getting lower scores is because we're not showing work. So pick a color for number 1. I'm going to pick red. And you're going to annotate. So they're asking you to rotate. On yours, it should say 90 degrees clockwise. First thing you're going to do is label your quadrants. Okay, then you need to figure out which way is clockwise. Does clockwise go this way or does clockwise go that way? Then you need to figure out if I'm going 90 degrees, how many quadrants do I move? So you'll figure out which quadrant you land in, and then you'll write that here. So I'm going to land in quadrant whatever, and then you're going to tell me the signs of X and Y in that quadrant. Okay? Then you'll write your ordered pairs for T, U, and V. You'll figure out what to do for the primes, and then you'll get your signs based on your quadrant. For number 2, you're going to pick a different color. So I'm going to pick blue. And you're just going to do the work. So you're going to plot this point, wherever it happens to be. You're going to translate it 4 units to the right, 2 units down, and you're going to write the new coordinates for B prime. When you type your answer in the exit ticket, do not type the B prime, just the ordered pair with the parentheses. Same for the first one, just the ordered pair. So I think I'm asking you for V prime. You don't need to type V prime in, just your ordered pair with parentheses to get full credit. If you feel like you did it correctly, but you got marked wrong, especially for the ordered pair ones, send me a message, because if you put a space where I didn't, it marks it wrong, but you're still right. So I need to go back and give you those points. So whenever you feel like, I think that was graded wrong, please let me know. I try to check them all anyway, but it goes faster if you just tell me like, I got number 2 right. Can you check it? Okay. So take your exit ticket, take your time. This one is a couple of more points than a normal one because we're reviewing quite a few lessons.